Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to calculate magnification on a microscope. This will be a full tutorial for absolute beginners with easy instructions, so let's get right into this video. So as I said before, if you want to calculate the magnification on a microscope, it's pretty easy to do. Now there are essentially at least one level of magnification and potentially two, but most likely there will be two. So the first one that's pretty much always going to be there is your objective lens. I'm going to bring this closer to the camera. You can see most microscopes have rotational objective lenses. So you can rotate this objective lens and it's going to offer you different levels of magnification. You can see this one is 40 times magnification. This one over here is 4 times magnification. And this one is 10 times magnification. So if that's the case and you only have an objective lens, then there's no need to calculate it. It usually will say right on the lens. But most of the time, there's going to be an additional factor of magnification that you need to take into account. And that is going to be your eyepiece lens or your ocular lens. So as you can see right here, most of the time, your ocular lens is going to be a 10 times magnification. But this one right here, because it's a little bit of an old school microscope, this is actually 12.5 times, and it's got a removable magnification lens. You can exchange it with different options. So this one right here is a 12.5 times. So you have a 12.5 times magnifier here, and then you also have another magnifier down there. So let's assume that we're going to put on, let's just say we're going to put on this one right here, which this one is a 10 times magnifier. Okay, so we have the 10 times magnifier down there, 12.5 times up here. All that you got to do is multiply those two numbers together. So we have 12.5, so 12.5 times 10, which gives us, as long as we move the decimal over, it gives us an answer of 125. So if I use this combination of this ocular lens and this objective lens, 10 times and 12.5 times, I'm going to get 125 times magnification. And essentially, that's how to calculate the magnification of a microscope. You take your two magnifiers and you multiply them together. If you only have one, then just read it and it's done for you. But if you have two, which most likely you're going to, then you have to multiply them together, and that's how to do it. It's as simple as that. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.